Which desert is the largest hot desert in the world? Gobi Desert, Sahara Desert, Arabian Desert, Mojave Desert. The correct answer is Sahara Desert. Where does the President of Russia officially reside? The Kremlin, Winter Palace, Red Square, Duma House. The correct answer is the Kremlin. What is the longest bone in the human body? Tibia, humerus, femur, radius. The correct answer is femur. What is the only metal that is liquid at room temperature? Mercury, gallium, cesium, bromine. The correct answer is mercury. What was the former name of Istanbul? Constantinople, Byzantium, Ankara, Smyrna. The correct answer is Byzantium. What is a baby goat called? Calf, kid, lamb, foal. The correct answer is kid. Which food is responsible for most cases of salmonella infection? Chicken, beef, fish, pork. The correct answer is chicken. On which planet could you jump the highest? Earth, Mars, Venus, Jupiter. The correct answer is Mars. In which country is the famous beach of Normandy located? France, Germany, Belgium, Netherlands. The correct answer is France. Which organ in the body stores urine? Kidney, bladder, liver, gallbladder. The correct answer is bladder. Which Mediterranean country boasts the longest coastline in the region? Greece, Italy, Turkey, Croatia. The correct answer is Greece. What tiny organism is known for surviving extreme environments, including outer space? Amoeba, tardigrade, euglena, paramecium. The correct answer is tardigrade. Tbilisi is the capital of which country? Georgia, Gabon, Ghana, Gambia. The correct answer is Georgia. Which gas makes up most of Earth's atmosphere? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, argon. The correct answer is nitrogen. Who was the first emperor of Rome? Julius Caesar, Augustus, Nero, Tiberius. The correct answer is Augustus.